Hey everybody, this is K-War here, Gaming here. Today we're talking about the how to hook up the video game console. So yeah, let's begin. So yeah, first of all, I'm gonna start out the main console so far, starting with TurboGrafx 16. Okay. On to the next one, we have a big TV. It starts with the NES. We'll be right back, so hang on. Let's start off with the original Nintendo. Yep, still works. We have a Super Nintendo. So, yep, let's do it. Input 2. Okay, so we have a GameCube, I think. Input 3. Perfect. Nintendo 64. Put a 4 and there we go. Perfect. So we have a PlayStation 1, so press in there. So we have a Wii U hooked up. Now the Switch. This thing turned on. Oh, this works well, Switch. Oh, that's good. Put that in there. Okay. We have a Master System. Put 6. And that's it. We're going to go in the next one and we're right back to it. So hang on. Alright, so this Switch works. Okay. Now to the PS4. I'm not sure it's not working at all. Let's come back to this one. So, PS3. Okay. So we got PS3 works. Xbox One. Okay, come on. Xbox One. Huh. Maybe that's it for today. So, yep. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a piece of ducks.